Okay, she's at it again. And you just put something in the fryer. What's going on here? What are you making? I know the answer.
Donuts.
Donuts? Whoa! You deep fry donuts?
Yeah.
So this right here is one that just came out. Are you gonna stuff anything inside that donut?
Vanilla pudding to make Boston creams.
You gonna be chocolate on there too?
Yeah.
You're making Boston cream for your dad? Awesome. Okay. I haven't gotten a lot of in the process videos. Oh, that's cool. So it's kind of just deep frying.
Yep.
I didn't know that's how you made donuts.
I honestly didn't know that either.
Oh, cool. Well, we'll see.
Actually, Mom is oil free, so she's air frying a donut now
Air
too.
frying a donut. Well, I'll come back to this project once we have them completed. Oh, my favorite part, Christiana.
Yeah.
Look, so you did the cream filling,
Yep.
and now whoa, these are Boston cream donuts. Oh, that's awesome. Melted chocolate.
Yep.
What kind of chocolate is that?
Mom, what kind of chocolate is this? They're like melty little things. Well, it's chocolate.
The chocolate melts. You got it. You just dip in those. So you bake these doughs, and you fried the doughs, and then you made this cream filling. It's actually Jello pudding filling, right?
Yep.
And now this chocolate. Look at all these donuts. They look awesome. Good job, honey. You made our favorite Boston cream donuts.